Welcome to another product review, where today we're diving into the Perch Stella rolling height adjustable salon and spa stool with Footring. Designed with professionals in mind, this stool is a testament to durability, comfort, and convenience. Let's delve into what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about accessibility. The 360 degrees, all around, pneumatic adjustment lever ensures that adjusting the height is a breeze, no matter where you're positioned. Say goodbye to awkward reaches or fumbling for levers. Plus, the specialized casters are gentle on hard surfaces, preventing damage while maintaining excellent traction. Durability is a cornerstone of the Stella stool. With reinforced fiberglass, nylon, and steel construction, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether in a salon, office, or workshop. The 17-inch diameter seat provides ample room and support, while the 3 inches of foam cushioning ensure comfort during long hours of use. And let's not forget about peace of mind. Backed by a 12-year warranty on parts and a lifetime warranty on cylinders, Perch stands behind the quality and craftsmanship of their product. That kind of assurance speaks volumes about their confidence in the Stella stool's longevity. Whether you're a professional stylist, therapist, or craftsman, the Perch Stella rolling height adjustable salon and spa stool with Footring is a top-notch choice. With its blend of innovation, durability, and warranty coverage, it's a true professional's companion. Say hello to comfort and goodbye to compromise with the Stella stool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.